Hello, my friends. Today I am in Elbasan in Albania, and I'm really so happy because I want to announce the release of my book in Amazon, Learn Albanian for Beginners. Let me show you. Here it is, Learn Albanian for Beginners, an easy guide for English speakers, and that is Dr. Viola Gilbegay, that's me. I'm super excited that I can help a lot of you to learn Albanian and also to practice it. So there are 10 clear and easy to follow lessons with a very useful vocabulary for travel, family, food, shopping, weather, and more. And there will be also some simple grammar explanation with examples and exercises, and also mini stories to practice reading and understanding Albanian. So that is for you. The Kindle edition, it's only €9.99. Here it is. And this was released on the 15th of June. And I already had my first order for this book. Yes, here it is. From the US. Someone in the US bought the book Learn Albanian for Beginners, an easy guide for English speakers. Here it is, the first order, and that was exactly the 15th of June. Here it is. Then I released another book before, just a few days before, on the 9th of June. And this was a book on again on Albanian language, but that is for Italian speakers. Impara l'albanese da solo, guida per principianti, edizione estiva. Here we have 6 units, and mostly it is vocabulary and dialogues on summer. Yes, here it is. And this book also, it is €9.99, the Kindle edition, so you can find it in Amazon. And this book has already 2 orders. I'm really so excited. 2 orders from Italy. One as an ebook and another one in print. So on the 9th and on the 17th of June. I'm really happy for the release of these 2 books. I really hope that they are going to be useful. In case you buy them, please write a review. I will put the link of where you can buy them in Amazon below in the description of this video. And yes, please buy the book and learn Albanian language. Your Babshim.